Guys, so dito lang kayo makakita ng mga librong baliktad. Ayan, so hindi yung mga title. What are you making?
Ice cream, homemade, hand churned. This is how fun. Nanay, di na akong bayot. Ako si El, saying hi. God, it's not tasting.
Oh, it's real tomatoes. Oh, tomatoes.
This is how you cook.
Oh, so that's what the paper is for. This is the coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Happy birthday to John Fierna! Happy 25th birthday! Yay!
To health and success.
Yay!
And friendship.
Yay! Good morning. Are you eating something?
My favorite.
What? Where are we gonna go?
Mountain?
Which mountain? Tito Larry's mountain?
Tita Larry's Face Mountain.
Alright, we're here now. Going to Larry's hacienda. Hi guys! Hi guys! Chi! Magbabay ka nga! Magbabay ka nga, Chi!
Hi.
Hi!
Hi.
Oh, pag-talk sila.
Hi. Welcome to her channel. Ato mga to. Ato mga. Si Chira ko. Kuha na bigay. Kanina mo. O, Chi, ikaw daw. Story ako through the pan.
Okay, hi, Kuya! Hi!
Ako si El. Saying hi. God, it's not tasting.
Hello mga loves! Welcome back to my channel and we are here sa cabin ni Larry. So Larry is one of my classmates in high school and we are here sa cabin and I'll show you some virtual tour of the cabin. So busy. Ayan. Oh, this is the cupboard. So this is all the food that we're making today. Ayun. So hi mga Titas of Davao. So we're gonna cook something today, like the special needs of special children. Hi, Sven! So bida ka na naman sa vlogs, Sven. Alright, so what are we doing there? That's a karote. Karote. Oh, we're gonna make some ice cream daw.
Nandito sa katong pula. Di ba natin peeler?
Social ang bugas, mineral water ang pang.
Huh? Oo. Dalagi mo?
Oh, tomatoes.
Ben! Tama na!
Wala, if you what are you looking
Nagagana pa
for?
ni?
Oh, rice cooker. Oh. There's a rice cooker there. Oops, be careful.
To heart money.
Oh. Sige na, be. Show me, be. Be. Wala man si Shaolin.
Wala siya.
Not sponsored spices. Guys, so dito lang kayo makakita ng mga librong baliktad. Ayan, so hindi yung mga title ang nauna, kundi yung mga pahina. Ayun. Good job. Clean the house. Come on, you can do it.
Come on, son. I know the vlog nice. See? No.
Patatas,
Sala or
mangga,
in the balcony, don't play here.
sibuyas dahon. Ito ay cauliflower ni. Diba? Cauliflower ni.
It's yung broccoli na. Puti ang cauliflower.
Ito yung broccoli, ito yung cauliflower,
Yes, this is war.
the onions, and the garlic.
Kungkung. Doon kayo magwali. Doon sa
Oh, na-marinate na dahil ni Lairs.
Si Kuan, si Dave, si Gina naman. Master girl.
Alright. So, kung makita ka ni Gordon Ramsay, maglagot siya ni makadami ng accessories while you're cooking.
Ano?
Gordon, you know what to do.
Ako pa kanon. Hey Gordon!
At Gordon Ramsay.
This is how naunang panahon.
Oh, so that's what the paper is for. I thought it's rubber.
Ang templada na ito dito, pang grill. Pwede rin siguro ka niyo.
Oh, nasa ni soldier ant?
Ano na lang, yes, this is better.
Sige.
Right. Ang ginagamit lagi sa kung ano kay kanang mag kahoy nga uling ba?
Napod ko.
Hapog ka?
Bagol.
Alright, so this is where we got our wood for the haling. What's haling in English?
Firewood man siya.
Firewood. But
Kuan mo.
there are branches here, so this is very organic. Very natural. It's not coal.
Man siya, pine tree. Putol na mo.
Pine tree?
Gani kay Chico o kuan na siya. Yan na lang bagol, ginakasabit niyo.
So wala lagi siya iuling.
Wala pa.
This is the coconut. Nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Hey, so here's the tank. How? It reminds me of our farm. Oh, there's a lot of bagul pa there, guys. You can see that. You see the bagul there? Oh. Oh yeah, I can zoom in like super zoom. Amazingly. Wow. The rice is cooking, madam. Oh, this is the handmade pasta.
This is the slime.
No, it's eggs.
I slime.
The real slime.
Kablaan po itong slime.
I saw
nice.
in the window. They can make slime.
So you want to be like Ninang Chi? Why? That's what I'm talking about. Why baliktad ang mga books? Kasi nakabalo layers na dapat paana.
Ito mga house help na naman ito.
Okay, that.
Oh, you put some oil. So that it will be slimy. Yeah, you try. Don't do that like Ninang Chiba. Squish.
Not like that.
Like that lang, or roll. Like that in your hand, in your palm. Go. Dapat nasa cherry receiver.
Fresh pa na ito.
So that is the fresh pasta. Wow. Show us the cheese. So it's laparon nga pasta.
Kaya ito.
Ah, wow. That's nice.
Wanna try? Good. Pasta.
Dapat naon po siya hiwa-hiwalay.
Mag-boil lang mag-water with salt.
Tapos,
Pag-boil na siya, diyan may dumping niya. Kadali ra po siya kayo. Mag-cook. Dili siya para sa dry pasta nga 5 minutes.
This is how one. Nanay, di na akong bayot. Oh my gosh.
Good kungkung.
what are you making?
Ice cream. Homemade. Hand churned.
Hand-churned? Bakit ba yun? Anong flavor yan?
Ano pa? This is the base ice cream. We're making the cream.
So that's the cream. Okay. Mix with?
Cream and condensed milk.
Ah, so that one. Alright. Chocolate. Chocolate. But that's like Goya? Ano ang kuha niya? Ang feels?
Ako balo.
Or Hershey's? Oh. Chocolate. No, that's the cream for the ice cream. Now, we're gonna go to the kitchen and... Oh, Lyra is still here. And still chopping something, slicing something. Cheese.
For the pasta.
How many cheese do you have?
This is the cheddar cheese, the Monterey Jack ba po? Tapos mozzarella.
Pepper jack.
Pepper Jack. Still it has the Jack.
So, okay. Jack of all trades. And this is the pasta that we made earlier. And, ooh, fire. What's this? Oh, it's real tomatoes. And this one, yun naman yung
For the pasta.
So, our expert
Zai.
wants to have a taste. Chef? Oh, wala sugar? Tamis-tamis? Hindi ka ganag tamis-tamis?
This tomatoes.
Pero, ninutong like cake mo sa kuan sa laki sa no?
Nice name mo kung na-shrimp mo. Papadong gambas na.
Alright. Good.
Nice squid eh.
So, nga tong yearly kuan, pwede na ta mag 2 times a year. Lagi, usap lagi ni kuan.
Twice a year, dire?
Now, pwede every year. Every month. Wow. So, we love vegetables. Joke lang. Tinatago pala namin ang mga meat. Amazing.
Dahil kung hindi makaon kayo sa bata ang vegetable, yatag lang sa kuha, sayang tayo labay.
Pwede na sa doggy oil.
Ang vegetable, no?
Ay, kato, nalamo na to layers. Ayaw to kana.
Sabi na sa to.
Because, nasagol-sagol na dira ang mga laway and all.
Which one can I use for the, for the mixed in now?
Okay, we're gonna ask our boss. Okay, wait, boss? Boss, what are you doing, boss? The boss baby. Okay, so there's no signal here. As you can see, our cell phones is in here. Check. Oh, there's signal. Ooh, that's right. So I'm gonna do a try again, and let's see if it works.
Pwede na kami ang kuhan.
I'm so busy. Thank you for friends who know how to cook, how to slice, and how to vlog.
Wow.
So the vlogger here has the real, very big contribution in this trip.
Palit yun. Salit. Ay, parang kauna ka.
I know, na? Yan.
So, nako na
So they're making the ice cream now. Ooh, they chilagi special.
Wala man ka nag-request.
Ano sa request ni mo?
Kung sa inyong request, maputo ako ah.
Wala man ka request.
Patong butter picana ah.
Request mo.
Mag-request. Mo ganit na lang kung request. Wow! Thank you, McDonald's,
Wow.
for your contribution.
Sarap pa to sa McDonald's.
Ay, di na mo ang french fries ganina.
Ano eh? Double fry na po.
Mo gali. So, thank you, McDonald's.
Not McDonald's.
Hi, this is our... Wow! It has colors na. It's like... Ooh, that's how you're gonna do it. From the dirty kitchen, literally, dirty kitchen of Chi. So Lara is in the duyan and not yet done with her chores. Lai, wala daw na pair. Hindi pair. Wala daw na pair. What is this? So cheese, and carrots. I don't know what else. Oh, broccoli and cauliflower. So, since wala na yung sudlanan, go back na lang sa lata. Ang ice cream. Okay. Yes? Preparing. Cotton cheese na natin. Oh, so we have fondue. So, Lai, how's your training here as an au pair?
I was here to rest. I found peace,
So you...
quiet, while they work there, keeping the fire burning.
Mm. So this is the fondue.
Sloppy. Ang palit
Alright.
yung t-set unta, kaya kung papa na, buot sa iring ang iyang t-set sa surplus.
Live, we are making a fondue.
Brand new kayo na.
May tumanda din yung lubot. Basta kay
So ikaw naman dapat ano dyan?
100 ang isa brand new.
Ay! Ang bata! Ay!
Ay, ano na abot na nga po kanina.
Alright, so how to make a fondue? A cheese fondue cheese. So we're gonna just put some evap milk.
Wala may milk. Asa pang kuan? Isa pa. Asa pa isa pa kaani?
So what do you call them? Fondue fork?
One, two. Kailan na ito mga ulit? Napa!
Alright. This is our food. And what do you call this? This is a sauce. Ay, dili ni tomato sauce.
Tomato soup.
Uy, ala ka tomato sauce, chi.
Soup! Tomato soup. Asa plate? Asa man ang kay kuya ng plate?
Alright, then our what do you call this? Chicken?
Rosemary chicken with potatoes and potatoes.
Yay! Praise Jesus. Thank you, guys.
Wait lang, babe. Picturean sa lang kwatong.
Wow.
Pangugas na dito.
Ayaw na ni ko, Annalise. Alright, so what do you call this, Jan? Happy birthday to Jan Fierna! Happy 25th birthday! Yay! This is pasta Italiano. Aglio. Ano nga? Aglio? Oh, chicken.
Ang chicken sa ito na kung matimanon po.
And the wine. The wine is here. Yeah. Ayan. The wine is here.
Tignan niya ako the fries.
Wala ba ng treme? Kaya ako ba yung ang gipaghirapan ako ni pero wala agad na survive. Good. Thank you, Lord, the food, Lord. Bless the food, Lord. Bless John Virna, Lord. Bless the host of this house and the people. In Jesus' name, amen.
Wala ka lang.
Hindi ko na ganyan.
To health and success.
Yeah!
And friendship.
Yeah!
Dali na lang sa
Ano wala? Hilapot mo.
Nakulangan mozzarella.
Yummy. That is the ice cream. Oh, the finished product.
Happy to
Ayun.
butter.
You like your ice cream?
Aka ni ano na.
Wow. Cookies and cream. The mango banana. Raining here in the mountains, but we're going home. Oh. Bye na mga titas. Bye. Thank you, Lers.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Sven. Bye. Susunod na naman. Bye-bye na. Mwah. Bye-bye, kiss. Eh, wag i-kiss nga kayo. Madumi ako.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy. Bye, guys.